ZB500S Automatic Solder Paste Mixer. Designed for SMT production, it helps mix solder powder and flux evenly before printing. The enclosed benchtop design keeps the mixing process simple and contained. The machine is used for solder paste cans and similar paste materials within the rated range. During operation, centrifugal movement helps the paste rotate and blend without manual stirring. Visible specifications include model ZB500S, LED digital display, and a 220-volt power supply. The front panel provides simple time setting and start control. Before use, open the cover and check that the mixing basket is clean and ready. Open the solder paste can and confirm the lid and container are secure. Place the can into the holder and make sure it sits firmly in position. Close the cover before starting the machine. Use the control panel to set the required mixing time for the material. The top window lets the operator check whether the mixer is running. After the cycle finishes, open the cover only after the rotor has stopped. Remove the solder paste can carefully from the holder. A properly mixed paste should look smoother and more uniform. Keep hands away from the moving parts during operation. Do not open the cover or reach inside while the mixer is running. Place the machine on a stable workbench and keep it level before use. For best results, confirm the can size, paste weight, and mixing time before each batch. The ZB500S offers a compact workflow for SMT solder paste preparation. Contact the supplier to confirm configuration, voltage, and application details before ordering.